Hey everyone, it's Dawn Marie Nesbitt here with another video, and in today's video I am going to share with you the way that you can add the Pinterest save button to your websites. So for example, if you have an image like this one here and you want, like, when somebody visits your website to be able to share it on Pinterest, for example, then I'm going to show you how to add this button here. Now, the way that Pinterest described it, they said that in order to share the button that you need to add a code to your website. But I didn't quite understand what that code was. And, when I looked on YouTube, everyone was telling me to use a certain plugin and the plugins just weren't working. So I dug and dug on the internet trying to find a way to actually place this code. Where do I place this code in order for this image to become pinnable? And I spent so many hours on it, but just one simple thing that I did helped me to create that save button. And in case you don't know what I'm speaking about, let me just go here and I'll show you what that save button looks like. So it's basically when somebody comes to your website, they are able to easily just click on the save and it goes directly to their Pinterest account where they can pin the image. So this is a way that you can add a save button to your images on your website without using a plugin. It's just simply using the code that Pinterest gives to you, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, in order to get to this page here, what you would do in Google is you would search for build a save button for Pinterest, and Pinterest is going to give you the link that takes you to this website. Okay, so build a save button for Pinterest. You click on this link here and it's going to bring you to this website. But what you want to do is you want to come down to recommended. So this can be used for any, if you have a platform such as WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, Wix, or Squarespace. This is what you would need to do in order to add that save button. You want to come down here where it says image hover recommended and then click learn how to build it, and then you will click on go to widget builder. Now you select whichever button that you want. In this case, I just want the save button so that when someone clicks on the image, this save button, it comes up, and so that they will be able to post that image to their Pinterest account. And this is how I want the save button. You can select any image as they say. So any image, maybe the hover image is what you would want. So for example, the hover image looks like that. So when somebody moves their mouse over the image, the hover image comes up. So select whichever image you want. If you want one image, let's see what one image says. You may want that as well. But for this video, I would like the image hover. Okay, and then you choose whether you want it round like that or whether you want it round and large like that. Okay, so you can choose, maybe I'll put it large and save like that. So I want that one, and you select the user's default language, which is going to be English in my case. So select whichever language that you want. Now, when you do that, Pinterest builds a code for you. And what they say is copy and paste this code into your page where you want your add-on to appear. But previously in the page before, they said that this code needs to be placed in before the closing body tag. So they said paste the code just above the closing body tag of each page where you want the button to show up on your site. Now, for the life of me, this is what my WordPress back office looks like. For the life of me, I didn't know where to put that. And this is what my website looks like. So right now, if I hover over this, there is no Pinterest button coming up. So how to do that is you get the code that you need. So I'm just going to go back. Okay, so I'm going to select hover, image hover. I want large. That's how I want it. So this code here I'm going to copy this code like so. Then I'm going to go back to my WordPress, and you just need to go to whichever blog editor you are using or whichever website editor you are using. Then click on text here, and text is just going to break down the HTML code of the actual blog for you. So whenever you type in the word editor, there's a text version as well, which is the HTML version. So you want the HTML version, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down to the end, and you are simply going to paste that code there, like that. Just paste that code there, that's it. And you want to save. So I'm just going to go back to visual, and you want to update. Okay, so once that updates, so that's all you have to do basically. Just place the code at the end of the HTML editor and then save it. So once that is saved, I'm going to go back onto my website. Just going to refresh this. Okay, and now my image. Okay, hold on, it's not showing. Just a minute. How to start an online. Let me just go to the actual blog post. Sometimes because of the cookies in my system, it may not show up. It may not refresh it properly. So I'm just going to go to the actual page. Here it is. How to start. And let me just see if that will work. Okay, that's still not working, so something seems to be wrong. Has it finished updating here? Okay, doesn't appear to have finished updating on this side, so I'm just going to wait for that to happen. Okay, so this page has finished updating. It just took a little bit of time to update. I don't know what happened, but it could be because my system was running slowly. So I'm just going to make sure everything is in place, and I went on the text. I just want to make sure that the code is still there. Yes, the code is still there. So this page is now updated. So I'm going to just refresh this one more time, just to make sure that the changes take effect on this page as well. Okay, so that page has been refreshed. And there we go. We have the save button, right? So if someone wants to now pin, because the save button now appears on the image, they can easily click the save button, and it goes right into Pinterest where they can save it. Okay, so that's basically, it goes right into Pinterest where they will be able to pin that image to their own Pinterest profile. Okay, so that's basically how you add the save button to your images without using a plugin. Simply copy the code that Pinterest gives to you and copy the code that Pinterest gives to you and place it in the bottom of your HTML editor. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful to those people. You don't need a plugin. All you need is the code that Pinterest gives to you, and you just place that code at the bottom of the HTML editor in your own blog word editor. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to read my blog post on how to start an online business on a budget, 3 steps and ideas, I will put the link in the description box below, as well as I do have a free internet marketing, online marketing course that you can take advantage of. The link will be in that description box below as well. And if you want to reach out to me or connect with me on Facebook, I would put a link to my Facebook contact in the description box below as well. Thank you again for watching my video. My name is Dawn Marie, and I'll see you in the next one.